This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Townsend. This home has been well maintained. True pride of ownership shows. This 3-bedroom home has almost 2,000 square feet. Updates include newer H-VAC system, replacement windows, most appliances 5 years old, plus exterior paint in May 24th. Formal living room plus dining room plus cozy family room and separate space for office. MB is huge, 30 by 12, with very nice sitting area plus 2 closets. Roomy utility room. Partial fenced backyard, patio plus in cul-de-sac. November 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below.